here's another meaningful gift idea for your loved ones. In this video, we'll create a unique piece of art using natural pebbles, combined with a bit of creativity and craftsmanship. This is not just a great gift for your loved ones, but also a way to express your affection with your own hands. Let's prepare the materials and start crafting together. Prepare the materials. A thick white sheet of 200 GSM paper for the background, which you can design with custom text and patterns as you wish. Carefully trim off any excess paper. Use a frame that fits the size of the paper to enhance the elegant look of the artwork. I had already prepared 2 round pebbles of a larger size to represent the bodies of the characters. Next, I prepared a delicate bouquet of Glixia flowers that still stands out beautifully. Two small wooden hearts, once satisfied with the arrangement, use white glue to fix the pebbles and accessories in place. When visiting the store, you can customize the colors and add personalized quotes to make the artwork truly unique. Use a black oil-based pen to draw details such as hands, legs, and some other small features for the characters. Let the glue dry completely, then place the artwork into the frame you prepared earlier. The frame will give your product a polished and elegant finish. And that's it! We've completed a Pebble artwork, a gift full of love and meaning. See you in the next project.